Walking down 12th, just past the pawn shop. Old man in a coat like midnight oil. Table laid out with little glass bottles, clear liquid corks, each one labeled in tiny handwriting. Tomorrow. He said, take a look, kid. One sip's all you need. Jump a day ahead, skip the dirt and the weeds. No pain, no bills, no bad TV, just the good part. Trust me, you'll see, I laughed. Dropped a 20 on the table, bottle felt warm, smelled like maple. Took a swig, blink and the sun was higher. My clothes were rumpled, my wallet lighter. Checked my phone, a whole day gone, no memory. But the headache strong in my inbox. Bills I didn't pay and my fridge was empty. But hey, new day.
He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast, they never grow. He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast
until they go.
Tried to tell my neighbor, yo, don't buy that stuff. She laughed in my face, said one's not enough. Week went by, I was back in the street. Hand in my pocket, shoes on repeat. Old man smiling like a slot machine. Pulled out 2 more bottles, bright and clean. I'll give you a deal, skip 5 for 4. I crawl through mud when you can fly through doors. So I skipped my boss, skipped jury duty. Skipped one date where she was acting moody. But every skip left my bank account thinner, and I couldn't remember if I'd had dinner. He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast, they never grow. He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast
Until they go.
I woke up one morning and reached for my stash. Empty. Ran back to 12th, but the table was bare. Street felt longer, air felt heavier. Then I saw him leaning against the wall. Same coat, same smirk. You're out of tomorrow's, kid. From now on, you get what's left. Next day came, it was Tuesday rain. Same bus, same stop, same window pane. Woke up again, Tuesday rain. Checked the clock, same time, same chain. I screamed at the sky, I begged for the sun. But Tuesday just laughed, said we're not done. Tried every street, every train, every door. But Tuesday was waiting on the other shore. No friends to call, they all moved on. Years passing for them, but not for this pawn. Every step I take just loops me back to the puddle on the corner and the man in black. He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast, they never grow. He sells the days you'll never know. You spend them fast
Until they go.
So if you walk past 12 and see that table, keep your money, 'cause tomorrow's ain't cheap. And once you're out, you'll pray for a Wednesday that never comes.